What's up, guys? So this video is an update to a video I made a couple of years ago on how to create custom ringtones for an iPhone. So this is video one of a two-part video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do it on a computer, specifically on a Windows computer, using 3U tools and an online video downloader. The second part of this video will be how to do it purely from your phone or your iPad or whichever device you're going to use. So let's jump into this. So we're going to be using this video, After Ever After 3 by Paint. Really good video. It's in the description below as the video we're going to use for the ringtone. Also in the description is a link to this website to download your MP3 file, which you need for your ringtone. So we're just going to copy the video URL by right-clicking copy video URL, and then we're going to paste it right here and convert. Now once it grabs it, it's going to convert it and put it into a file that we can download to use as an MP3. And now we just have to click download, and we want to save the file. We can see it's saved, so we're going to close out. We're going to launch 3U Tools because I just had it installed. So at this point, we're going to plug my iPhone into the computer, and we're going to have to allow access to it. So just allow, and then your password when it asks. At which point 3U Tools will connect to your device. We've trusted my phone. We're going to click right on the bottom here, and we're going to do Make Ringtone. So now we want to click From PC for the file, and we want Downloads, and then the file we just downloaded, and Open.
If you've ever...
So at this point, we're going to use these two sliders, and we're going to pick our favorite part of it, or we're going to pick the whole thing. But I'm not going to do that here, so just this red one is the beginning and the yellow one's the end. So I'm just going to find the spot and then I'll come back. In editing, I noticed that I made an error. It's not the red slider, it's the clear or white slider. That's the beginning of the selection you're making. Okay, so I've picked the part of the song I want to use. It does say here that text ringtones can't exceed 30 seconds, which is fine, but this is just going to be used as a regular ringtone anyway. So now we want to click Generate Ringtone right here at the bottom, wait for it to create it, and put it into the right file. And I'm just gonna name it After Ever After 3 Hercules. And we're gonna either click OK or import to your device. I'm gonna import to my device. If you click OK, it'll just save it to the local 3U Tools. And there you go. That's it. Now let's pop to my iPhone and I'll show you it working. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to open the ringtone. So we're gonna go to Settings, and I'm sorry if this is bright here. Hang on, let me turn down my brightness a little bit. Maybe, yeah, now you guys can see it a little better. So we're just gonna go up here. We're gonna click Sounds to go into our ringtones, and then this top one says Ringtone. So if we look here, I've got a bunch of ringtones of Maddie, and then right here, AEA 3 Hercules, the one I just did. And that's the ringtone we just did. So I'd say this is a success, and you can use this for as many ringtones as you want. There's no limitation. There's no nothing on it. On that note, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like if you like this video. Let's shoot for 1,000 likes. Click up here to subscribe and up here to watch one of my last videos. And until next time, guys.